In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vector graphics from images in Canva. We'll walk through the complete process, step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular image into a clean, scalable graphic you can use for logos, icons, and all kinds of designs. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to use your vector style graphic. Choose a canvas size that makes sense for your project, like a square for a logo, or a presentation size if you're working on slides. This doesn't have to be perfect right now, because your final vector style image will be easy to resize later. Next, import the image you want to convert. You can do this by going to the Upload section and selecting your file from your computer, or by dragging and dropping the image directly onto the Canva window. Once it's uploaded, click on it so it appears on your canvas, and then resize it so it's large enough to see the details clearly. This will make the next steps much easier. Now, we're going to simplify the image so it looks more like a vector graphic. Select your image, then look at the toolbar and apply an effect or filter that makes the edges and colors clearer and more defined. In many cases, using a duotone, posterize, or a similar effect works well because it reduces the number of colors and creates bold, graphic shapes. Adjust the settings until the main shapes of your image stand out and small, unnecessary details are minimized. After that, adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Increasing contrast usually helps define the edges, while slightly lowering the saturation can give you a more flat, graphic feel. The goal here is to make your image look less like a photo and more like a simple illustration. Once the image is simplified, you can start layering shapes and lines on top to really give it a vector look. Use Canva's elements, such as circles, rectangles, and curves, to trace or highlight important parts of your image. Match or intentionally contrast the colors to build a clean, stylized version of your original. This doesn't have to be perfect. Focus on capturing the main shapes and ignoring tiny details. When you're happy with how it looks, group all the elements and your edited image together, then download it. Choose a file type that supports transparency and high quality, such as PNG, so you can easily reuse and resize it across different projects while keeping that crisp, vector-style appearance.